So today I will discuss the topic India and its neighboring countries. So see, India is the seventh largest country in the whole world after Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and then Australia. That is seventh largest country. Okay. So see here, India is located in which side of the globe or which hemisphere? India lies. This is the northern part. This is the southern. This is an imaginary line. It's called the longitude. It's line called the longitude. Longitudes. Okay, or longitude you can say. And this line lies in west to east. This line known as this line known as latitude. This line known as latitudes. So see in here, India is lies in there. Means eastern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. That's why India is lies northern. India is lies northern eastern hemisphere. So India is the lies where northern eastern hemisphere. Okay, so India is lies northern eastern hemisphere. Okay, so here India is here. So India, that part is called north, that is part called south. This is the east and this is the west. And this side called north and east, northeastern part of India. These two sides are called southeast, southeastern part of India, and this side called south and west, means southern western part of India, and this side north west means northwestern part of India. So see in here, from today I will start from in here. So see, India has got 9 neighboring countries. How many countries? 9 neighboring countries. 9 total. 9 neighboring countries. 9. But India did not share the border with these 9 countries. 9 neighboring countries. Out of this 9 neighboring countries, India is share the border with 7 different countries. Why? Because other two countries, they are fully bounded by the water. Understand? See here in this list. So another part in here, from in this that side to that side, from Nepal in there. Again started from there to there, and again from Bhutan in this part to Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. Means in here, India sharing border with China, and that border called what? McMahon line or LAC. LAC means what? Line of actual control. Okay, line of actual control. Line of actual control. Line of actual control. So this is, and this total boundary or total length of the boundary is what? 3,488 kilometers. 3,488 kilometers. This is the total length of the boundary shared with China. Okay. Now come to the next line, and this boundary to know this boundary name, which means this boundary, which boundary share with China to India. This India share the border with China. This border have that one name. This is called McMahon line, McMahon, and also it is called LAC. LAC means line of actual control, and it is total length what? 3,488 kilometers. Now come to the next, and China, China is the 4th largest country in the whole world, and China's capital name is Beijing. China is the capital name is Beijing. Okay, now come to the next point. In here, it is you can see in here. This is the Nepal. This is the Nepal. The Nepal also share the border with India. The total how many kilometers border share with India? 1751 kilometers. This is the length of the border. The Nepal share with India, and Nepal capital name is Kathmandu, and it is very important country, neighboring country to India, because that very important, because we are exporting and importing many commodities from here to there and there to here. Now come to the next point. This point is you can see in here. This country name is called Bhutan, and that capital name is Thimphu. Okay, this country also share the border with India, and the total length of this border is how much? 699 kilometer. Okay, 699 kilometer length share the border with India. Now come to the next point. You can see here, from Namcha Barwa to in the Manipur or Tripura from India. The one very important Indian neighboring country share with border with India. This is called Myanmar, and its capital name is Naypyidaw. Now this country share the border with India. How many kilometers? 1643 kilometers. So this is the total length the border share with Myanmar India. Okay. Now come to the next point. This is called Bangladesh. We know this is very important country, neighboring country in India, because you know that this country not only our neighboring country but also many emotional attachment we can are having between two countries. Like we live in the West Bengal, we live in the West Bengal, we live in the Bangladesh. They are very correlative each other. So we have diplomatic relationship between two. Okay, now come to the next point. So Bangladesh also can share the border with India. You know, Bangladesh also share the border with India, and this border total length is 4,096.7 kilometers. How many kilometers? The Bangladesh also can share the border with India, but it is total bound length what? 4,096.7 kilometers. This is the total length the border share with India. Okay, so come to next point. This from in here, from there means Calcutta means Sundarban to India. In that part basically India in Gujarat, that part are bounded by the water. Not any single country to bounded. And now to next from in Gujarat in here to there means western side basically. This part India share border with Pakistan. Okay, the Pakistan capital name is you know Islamabad, and India share the border in this part to Pakistan, and it is total length 3,323 kilometers. So these are total length India share the border with Pakistan. Okay, it is the total our neighboring countries, and every neighboring countries have that own and specific correlation and also the relation. Now come to in the next part. See in here these two countries to other countries, to other Indian neighboring countries. These two countries are not share the border with India. That first one is Sri Lanka. The Sri Lanka located in Indian Ocean. Okay, and it is its capital named Sri Jayavardhanipura Kotte, and earlier capital is Colombo. Okay, so this island means Sri Lanka is bounded by the bounded all side of the water. Now come to the next point in Maldives. This is located in where? In the Arabian Sea. Okay, it is located in where? In the Arabian Sea. So this Maldives capital name is Mali and it is very near to Ladakh. Means not Ladakh, Lakshadweep. It is very near. It is very near in where? From Lakshadweep. Okay. So it is very near to Lakshadweep and this Maldives capital name is Mali. Okay. And this it is very small country. So this also can you say this is the Maldives is the smallest neighboring country of India and China is the largest neighboring country of India. Okay. Now come to in here. See in the Lakshadweep. The Lakshadweep it is also our union territory and it is located in the Arabian Sea and it is capital name is what? Kavaratti. So this is the total topic about the India and its neighboring countries. Thank you. We will see the next video.